Welcome to today's daily message. And thank you so much for taking the time to read through the readings and prayers and meditations and intercessions that are offered for your reflection each day during this season of Lent. Today, the reading from Jeremiah reminds us about trusting in God and trusting in God alone. That is a consistent, perhaps the most consistent theme throughout both the Old and New Testaments. That when all is said and done, we should place our trust in God alone. And so, what that means is that we should be trusting the godliness that is inside each one of us. We should trust the godliness that we see in those around us. And we should trust the godliness that we see in the world. And we should follow that godliness, call it out, and express it in the way that we live each day. Thank you very much for watching once again today.